Express the following complex numbers in polar form, giving arguments to two decimal places where appropriate. So the first one is 1 plus I. Now my suggestion is always sketch to make sure the complex number is in the correct quadrant. Now 1 plus I is just going to be here, so that this is 1 and this is 1. Using Pythagoras, we can show that the length here is root 2. And because we have an isosceles right-angled triangle, this angle would be 45 degrees or pi by 4 radians. So in polar form, this complex number is 2 cis pi by 4. The next one is -1 plus I root 3. So if we sketch that one, it is going to be in the second quadrant here, such that this length is 1 and this length is root 3. So root 3 squared is 3, plus 1 squared is 4, square root that gives us this is 2. The argument here would be this angle, but initially we can work out this angle. And because this is root 3 and this is 1, you should know all of your standard angles. This angle here is going to be pi by 3, meaning this one is 2 pi by 3, and so this is 2 cis 2 pi by 3. The next one is -2 take away 4i. So that one there is going to be in the third quadrant. So -2 take 4i will be down here somewhere. So that this is 2, this is 4. So if we do the square root of 4 squared plus 2 squared, that is root 20, which is root 4 root 5, and so 2 root 5. And the argument is going to be this angle here. Initially we'll work out this one here using the inverse tangent of 4 divided by 2. And that would give us 1.107 radians. So with this being -pi, that means we're going forward 1.107. So -pi add 1.107 gives us the argument would be -2.03 radians. And so this complex number is 2 root 5 cis -2.03, giving that to 3 significant figures. Finally, we have 3 minus 4i. So that one would be in quadrant 4 down here. Try and draw that a little bit better. There we go. So this is 3, this is 4. Now 3, 4, 5 triangle, you should see that the modulus is 5. And then the argument will just be this angle here. So we can just do an inverse tangent of 4 on 3. But remember, because we're in this quadrant, that the angle is going to be given as negative. So it's going to be -0.927. And therefore the complex number is 5 cis -0.927.